In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add products to Wix. So if you have a Wix store and you want to add your own products, this is the way to do it. So the first step is go to Wix, then go to the dashboard and make sure your website is a store. So how can you check that you made a store? You want to go to the left panel on the editor on Wix. Then you can see my store right here. And if it's not here, then it's not a store. If it's here, then you're good to go. Then you want to hit somewhere on the screen, just like this. Then go to Manage Products. There we go. And here we can see all the products. So these are all dummy products. So let's make a new one. Then select a digital file or a physical. So basically, what this means is if you want to sell or add a product that is physical or digital. So if, for example, a skateboard, a shoe, or an ebook, printable thing, or a digital album. So let's select physical for now. Then you can enter in the name, the ribbon if you want to, but I would leave this blank. The price, if it's on sale, and if you do, you can do it with a discount of, for example, 25% or 25 euros discount. Then enter in the full description of the product. Then you can leave this blank as well. You can select product options. So for example, if you have different sizes for t-shirts, as you can see right here, or you have different colors for products, you can select the options here. Then select if it's out of stock or in stock. You can select shipping weight, but if you didn't set it up on your Wix website, then you can skip this. And you can also select a subscription, which is not necessary. Once you're done, then hit save. So for me, I didn't fill anything in, but this is basically how you want to do that. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.